everyone! Today we are going to hook this curtain, tie rope, hook curtain, tie rope. This one is the rose one. Then we also have the tulip model. This is the tulip model. Then we have our little daisy model. These three models have different flower patterns, but the binding parts are exactly the same. Today we will first teach you the location of the rope. Then when everyone is crocheting, no matter which of these three you buy, the positions of the ropes are exactly the same. Let's teach you how to crochet the rope. Because the method of tying the rope is the same, so its diagram is the same. This is the rope. We use a 3-2-0 crochet hook. Then make 3 braided stitches to the second hook. 2 short needles go into 2 needle holes. The horizontal line below is a short stitch. Then insert to raised threads and hook short needles. Then turn it over and insert the 2 raised threads on the other side to hook a short stitch. Just keep repeating this hook. In fact, the crochet method is relatively simple. Let's take a look at the specific purchase method. Then we take out our green line. Take out our crochet hook and choose the thinner end of 3/0. Then take the line in your right hand. Wrap your left hand around the little finger on your left hand. Then wrap it around your index finger. Then draw a circle on your middle finger. Then in this circle, we crochet short stitches. Press the crochet braid needle. Penetrate into this ring. We brought the line out from the bottom up. This way we have a place to stand. Then we bring the line from bottom to top. Bring out the line. This is the first V. Then add the second V again. Then bring it again. The third one is that we can put our hands away. Then pull this line a little bit smaller. We got 3 braids. This is the first one. This is the second one. Third one. Then we need to make 2 short stitches on these 3 braids. Let's see from the last one. This is the first V-shaped building from the bottom. This is the second one. Because we didn't pull the line tight. This also counts as a V sign. If you pull it down, it's actually a V shape. If you think this is inappropriate, then you tighten the line as tight as possible. Then we start with another one, so there are 3 of them. 1 to 3. If you can't figure it out, just tighten these lines. Then make another braided stitch. There are 3 V-shaped braids. We start from the second to last side. Now we have to choose this side to crochet. Pick the side and look at the 3 here. Let's not pull too tight. This is the first one. The first one is the last one. We chose the second to last place to go in. Bring out the line. Then I brought out the thread and hooked a short needle. Then pick the next one and put it in. Bring out the line. Then the crochet hook brings the thread. Pull out 2 coils at a time. After 2 short stitches, let's tune back to it. The first one, this is the first one. This is the horizontal line on the side of the first short stitch. We pass this line sideways and horizontally through it. Then bring the line out. Good. Goes an on line dragged out to it. This is a short stitch on the side. Then we got something like this. Then you can see there are 2 horizontal bars and horizontal lines on the side. We are to crochet the 2 horizontal lines. See, these 2 horizontal lines go in. Then bring the line out. Good goojang with strings to pull out 2 at a time. Thread the red thread and hook a short needle. Then we turn to this side. This side is convex again. We put these 2 horizontal lines through. Then the crochet hook comes out with thread. Good crochet hook with thread protruding too. When you hook it here, try to loosen it a little bit. This is fine. Is very tight. We can relax a little bit. Then turn to the other side. Then everyone just sees this bulge. We just want to pick its raised hook. Look here, there are 2 horizontal raised lines. We put it in and bring out the line. There is also a pot body with a line to pull out 2 at a time. Good to turn to the other side. Here are the 2 horizontal lines that are raised like this. we have to attack it. Then overall, we've been ticking like this. Haven't turned over yet. Then the horizontal side. Put it in and bring out the line. Drag out 2 at a time. Okay, next horizontal crochet short stitch. Then the next method is to keep adjusting the 2 horizontal lines on the sides to keep flipping the bow. Because when you turn it sideways, there is one. When you turn it sideways, there is one. We have been ticking these 3 sides. Then it will form a rope like this, a thicker rope shape like this. Keep ticking and ticking, and you'll get a slightly rounder shape like this. The state of the rope. This is how it is crocheted. I've been flipping. Then pick the 2 raised lines next to it. Okay, then spin and jump on the 2 raised lines. Then rotate and jump on the 2 raised lines. This is the tick that keeps repeating. Pick the 2 raised lines. Pick 2 more raised lines. When crocheting, try to be a little loose. This way, we can pick the raised lines a little bit easier. Then the methods here are exactly the same. Just keep hooking until it reaches the length you want. That is, our length is. I'll help you measure it later. How much have we got here? Everyone just keep hooking until the length of the rope is reached. But it doesn't have to be too long. I'm afraid that I won't have enough thread to crochet, because the thread here is one material package can be hooked a pair. Just 2. Curtain ties on both sides. Always flipping. I've been picking the raised lines on both sides. We use for strands of milk cotton. If there is a fork, let's put it back. Just keep ticking. This does not affect the crocheting. This is what it looks like. You can also look at this. This is the finished braid. This rope looks good. Then we will continue to draw the circle until we reach the length we should have. Wait a minute. I'll measure the overall length for you. Okay, we've already checked it out. I got the length I wanted, just like this. I've already ticked this whole thing. Then let's measure the length. Then take out my ruler and let's measure it. The total is 60 to 62 cm. I've ticked 62 centimeters. This is here. Definitely enough to tie up your curtains. No need to grow any longer, because if we still have any flowers and leaves it below, won't look good. Generally, about 60 centimeters is enough. This is about 60 cm. Good hook till the rope can be cut off after about 60 cm. Just hook it here and pull the line out. Then cut it and leave a little bit of the line here. This is okay. No need to do the edge. Just bring the thread out from where the stitch ends. Just drag it out. Then we hook the rope. After the rope is tied, we will hook the position of the flower. Good. Next, let's mark the position of this rose. Rose, let's take a look at our tutorial first. Actually, this rose is quite simple. The flower is made of 52 braided stitches. Then to the second hook, 51 short stitches. Then stand up and flip. Then stand up a braid here is stand up. It must be a braid. Stand up a braid. Then turn the fabric over and control 1 stitch. Then hook 3 long stitches in the same stitch. Then a short stitch. Then control 1 stitch and 3 short stitches with the same 3 long needles. The needle keeps repeating. Repeat this set of 3 long stitches with the same stitches. Then control the same deep eye. 3 long needles and 1 short needle control 3 long needles of the same stitch. Repeat 17 times for a short stitch. Then to the second circle position. Then stand up and flip over to braided pins. Then hook a long stitch and put it in the first stitch, which is the one we are hooking now. In the previous group, hook the 3 long needles in the same stitch. The first stitch is hooked inside the first long needle. Then hook 2 long stitches in the second one. Then here is the introduction, because here we count the braided stitches as 1 stitch. What we say next is the corresponding check mark in the 3. For example, this is 2 braids. The first needle. The 3 needles correspond here. The 3 needle hooks corresponding to this. The first one is a long needle. The second one hooks to long stitches. Is a long needle. Then we need to repeat this group of ticks. We stand up with 2 braids. You should also stand up 2 braids and then pull them hard. Just connect the 2 braided needles here and pull them out. Then repeat 17 groups. Just crochet on top of the 3 long needles in our previous group. Okay, let's hook it first. Let's take out the pink line first. Still using the same 3 to 0 needle. Then draw a circle around your little finger, around your index finger, and on your middle finger. Use the crochet hook to insert the crochet hook, and we pinch it. We must hold this position and don't let go. From bottom to top. Drag the line out, then pull up another braid. Then the middle hand can be taken out. Get the line back. Then tighten the line a little bit. We got a slip knot. Then we started playing on slip knot. 52 numbers 1234. 56,789. 1011. Look. This is the braided needle is directly dragged out with the thread. Don't be too tight. It's too tight. 12, 13, 14. 15, 16. Just keep ticking 52. But don't be too tight. You must remember, you can't wear it like this. It's very tight. Look how tight this side is. Otherwise, when you make the next stitch, it's hard to hook the needle. Loosen it up a little bit. Pull the line out easily and it will be loose. See? It's easy. But don't be so relaxed. This is too loose. Look at how big this rootstock is. This is too loose. We can't be so relaxed. Let's relax a little bit. It's a little loose. Loosen it up a bit so the braided needle will be better. Pick a circle. Then I can crochet 52 braided needles by myself. We have crocheted 52 braided stitches directly here. Next, we start to hook approximately 2 times. Crochet 51 short stitches. This is the last one. This is the second to last V. Can you see this V? This is the last one. This is the second to last of these 2 lines. We are now going to pick the left half of these 2 lines. See? We originally made this like this. This is the left half. This is the right half. Now let's take this line like this. If we hold it horizontally, we'll pick up the upper part and look at its upper half. Upper half, pick half side line. This is the second to last one. We skipped the first to last one and did not jump the hook to the second to last one and pour the line out. Then the hook thread is pulled out 2 at a time. We get the first short needle and we make a mark on the first short needle. Do you see these 2 lines on the side of the V? Okay, then we don't have to dance anymore. It's 1, 2, 1 for each stitch in each V-shaped shape. Pick up half of the stitches and hook a short stitch. 51. Haha, there must be 51. If not, you must have made a mistake somewhere or skipped a stitch. Or missed a stitch. I suggest you take it apart and put it back on. Bring out the line. Crochet with thread dragging out 2 at a time. This is the short stitch. Then put the wire in and bring it out. Crochet with thread dragging out 2 at a time. We just keep picking short needles with 51 stitches on half sides. When crocheting here, I still use a looser hand. If it's too tight, it won't look good. I suggest you relax your hands a little bit. Then here are 51 short stitches. Everyone can complete them by themselves. Just keep going back like this. Keep ticking. Keep ticking. To the last position. All of them are crocheted with half of the needles. The method of crocheting short stitches is the same for everyone. Put it in and bring out the thread. Let's drag 2 at once. This is the short needle. Okay, everyone, hook these 51 short needles. Hook until the end. Okay, we've directly hooked the last short needle here. Then we're gonna stand up. Directly bring the line out. To stand up is to crochet a braided needle. Then turn the fabric over and see. Turn it over here. We started crocheting from the back here. After we flip it over, we crochet the thread. Crochet hook with thread from bottom to top. We don't leave a single stitch empty for the first stitch. Then the next stitch. Look, this is the first one. At this time, we need to hook the entire needle. What is the whole needle? Let's take a look. Look at the 2 lines that run through it. Here are 2 lines passing through it. The first V then penetrates into its second V. This is its entire stitch. We're going to bring it out, and we're going to pass it through the entire needle. And this go in from the side needle. Our second round is to adjust the rootstock groove. We are the first ones to go empty. The first one goes inside the second one. Then bring the line out. Stretch it a little bit. Now there are 3 loops with thread. The hook first pulls out the front 2 loops. First, drag out the first 2 coils and lengthen them. Then the hooks and threads are dragged out to form the next 2 long crochet needles. Another crochet with thread. Insert the same needle. Bring out the line and lengthen it a little. The hook then drags out the first 2. The hook is then pushed out with thread for 2 seconds. This is the second long needle. Crochet hook. Insert the thread into the same needle and bring it out and bring threads to highlight the first 2. The hook is then pushed out with thread for 2 seconds. This is why we missed a shot. In the next stitch, I hooked 3 long stitches. 3 long stitches are buckled in the same stitch. Then insert the next needle. There's no need to be empty here. Put the next needle in. Crochet a short stitch. So we've completed a set. We need to hook 17 sets of this. Another crochet hook. 1 more needle hole left. Hack a needle eye. Crochet 3 long stitches in the next stitch. After 2, 3 long needles. Continue to the next stitch without controlling. Here, crochet a short stitch. This completes the second set. Cut the thread and control 1 more stitch. Hook 3 long stitches. After finishing 3 long stitches, hook a short stitch. This completes the third set. Then we repeat the 4th group, the 5th group, and so on until the 17th group, all using the same crochet method. We will teach you a set of hakong 1 stitch, and then the next stitch 1 short one, 3 long ones. After 3 long stitches in the same stitch, let's crochet the next stitch and make a short stitch. So we've completed another set. Please repeat these steps until you reach the last position. We got the last group right away. Then the same thing is that there are 3 stitches left. We empty a needle. In the middle stitch, hook 3 long stitches first. Then we hook a short stitch at the mark button position. So we've completed this circle. We start the next lap. We are now going to stand up to braids. 12 we flipped production. Now we are going to crochet on the 3 long stitches in our previous round. We are on the first long needle. This is the first long needle. Crochet a long needle and wrap the crochet needle. Crochet to long stitches on the second long stitch. This is the second needle hook too. Okay, then the third one is another one. Then stand up 2 braids. Then we insert the short needle into this position and pull it out hard. This is done on this group. Okay, Let's do 2 more braided stitches. Crochet with thread in the first circle on the previous circle. Did you see the first long needle? This is the first long stitch in the previous round. Crochet a long stitch. Then the position of the second long needle. Crochet 2 long needles. 2 long needles in the same stitch. Then crochet a long stitch on the third long stitch. Then 2 more braided stitches. Then insert it into the position of the short needle on our short line out and then bring it out. So we've drawn the second set of petals. Let's do it again. 1, 2. 2 braided needles. Crochet hooks with thread in the upper circle. The first long needle is hooked on the top. 1 long stitch. 2 long stitches on the second long stitch. 2 long needles in the same stitch. Crochet a long stitch on the third long stitch so that all 3 stitches are completed. Then 2 braided pins. Then insert it on the short needle. Bring out the line. Then bring it out and pull it out. In this way, we've drawn 3 groups of petals. Then repeat this and tick 17 groups. Hook all the way to the last position until the last position of the 17th group. Then 2 braided pins. Then pull hard on the short needle. Well, this is always repeated. Everyone tick these to the end. Okay, here we just draw all 17 groups of petals. Hook to the last position and pull hard. Then clean up a braid. Lengthen the line a little bit. Just disconnect. Here, we have finished marking our flowers. After the flowers are drawn, let's assemble it by crimping. See this? This is nothing but positive and negative. You don't need to distinguish if you want to roll it this way and negative. Roll it this way. You can go from here if you want. There is no need to distinguish between positive and negative. Then we found a side. We found that there is no line here. We started rolling in. Or you can find the wires here and roll them in. It's the same. See if the middle position is rolled up. Just go around its edges and align the bottom. Then roll it into a rose shape. Roll it up like a rose. Like me, it's almost rolled up. This is what the rose looks like. This is what a rose looks like. Then let's put the rolled ones first. Let's glue it now. We took out the glue stick that came with the material packaging. This is a transparent glue stick. Then we prepare a lighter ourselves. Let's first cut these lines in the middle a little bit shorter. Well, remove some of the excess and leave a little bit. Don't cut it all off. Okay, now let's start burning the glue sticks. For glue sticks, everyone should bring their own lighter. Use the blue flame position to burn. Don't use yellow flames. Otherwise, it will turn black. After burning for 5 or 6 seconds, let's first apply a little glue here where the wire is cut. Just apply some glue evenly. Let it produce the effect of sticking. After applying the glue, let it cool down and wait for it to cool down. Then we burn it again. Let's put a little bit of it in the end. The ending of ha is put inside. Then glue it on. Here is to wait for it to dry. Don't get it on yourself. Just feel it yourself. Just apply it when it feels dry. Don't apply it when it's hot. For example, if you stick it on your hand, once it sticks, it will be very hot. Our flower is now complete. The bottom is also glued. The glue on the sides will not fall apart. This way, our flower position is completed. This completes the flowers. Okay, let's put it aside. Please tick one of the same ones. Okay, let's buckle the leaves. This leaf has 2 colors. One is the green willow we tied the rope with. Then there is a dark green and a green colors. But the crochet method is exactly the same. There is nothing different. They're all crocheted in the same way. Okay, let me show you how to crochet a leaf. We also take out our material packaging. We'll use dark green to demonstrate. Okay, we take out the dark green color. We come first, or use the thinner end of the 3 to 0 for crochet. Let's start by stitching the little finger. Let your index finger draw a circle on your middle finger and pinch it. Then the hook is inserted into the loop. Then bring the line out from the bottom up. Let's start with a braid. Then take out your middle hand. Pull this short line tight. We got a slip knot like this. We started with 13 braided stitches. 1, 2, 34, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 1, 1, 12, 13. This is the 13 braided pins. After cutting 13 braided pins, we also do the same reverse double hook. The first hook of this back hook is a second medium length needle. These 2 long needles, and for long needles, more long one needles. Short, 1 medium long needle, 1 short needle. Let's continue to hook up. Let's start on this side. We skip the first one and are in the second to last position. Wear half of it. Bring out the line. Crochet with thread dragging out 2 at a time. This is the first short stitch. A crochet thread. Insert the second hook's long needle halfway through and bring the thread out. Lengthen it a little bit. Now there are 3 loops on the crochet with thread to take off these 3 at once. This is the medium length needle. Okay. Then crochet 3 or 2 long needles and wrap the crochet needle around the thread. Bring out the line. Then the crochet hook with thread pushes out the first 2. The hook is then brought with thread and the last 2 are pushed out. This is a long needle. Long needle and then crochet a long needle. Okay. This is the second F to long needles. Then wrap the hook round twice. We're gonna crochet a long needle. Wrap the thread twice in the pot and insert it into the next needle to bring the thread out. You can see that we have 12,344 loops on the crochet hook. The thread and withdraw the front 2 first. Then the hook will withdraw with the thread. The middle 2. Then the hook will withdraw with the thread. Last 2. This is how to crochet long needles. It is longer. Okay, do it again. Wrap the hook twice. Insert the next stitch and bring the thread out. Crochet with thread exit first. The first 2 crochet stitches are then removed with thread. The 2 middle hooks are then pulled out with thread. The last 2 are long needles. The second one, we hook for long needles. This is the third one. After the fourth 4 long stitches are crocheted. We have reached the position of 2 long needles again. Crochet to long needles 1 again. Or 2. Two long stitches followed by a medium long stitch. Good to the last stitch position. We hooked a short needle. In this way, we have finished drawing this side of the leaf. At this time, we stand up a braided needle. We can see that this fishing line is now going to flip over. Flip to the other side and tick. This is its fishing line. We just picked the other half of the needle. Now let's pick the other half. Then we need to hide this short line, hidden behind our hooks. Okay, we've finished the last short stitches. We stood up with a braid. Then, in the same stitch, flip this side over to this side. In the same stitch, crochet another short stitch. Then wrap the hook around. Can you see it at the middle and long needle position? There are 2 intersections here. This is the position of the middle. We put the thread on the hook needle all the time. Crochet a medium length needle here. Okay. Let's go around to the other side. This thread must be placed above the hook. This way you can wear it at the back without seeing the lines. Crochet hook. Can you see the eye of the long needle when it is inserted into the long needle? Of these 2 lines. This is a long needle. Let's put it in. Then bring the line out. We crochet the thread through the first 2. The next 2. When here, this line, this fishing line, must be hidden all the way back. Don't stay there anymore. The crochet hook is wounded around the second long needle position and inserted into the second long needle opening on top of the hook. Now you can hide it. Then bring out the long line. Crochet a long needle. This is a short needle. One long and one medium long needle. Two long needles are crocheted. Then there are for long needle positions. Wrap the thread twice and insert it into the long needle position. Then bring the line out. Then exit the first two. Exit the middle two. Exit the last two. Okay, come again. We need to hook the long needle position 4 times here. Exit the first two. Exit the next two. Exit the last two. Good second one. Then the third. This is the corresponding hook, and adjust the corresponding needle every time you hook. Then this short line must be pressed on this crochet hook for crocheting. Then 2 long needles. Two medium-length needles. Then a short stitch. This way our leaf part is completed. Both sides are the same. If you look at the line in the middle, it will be very obvious. Then the 2 sides will also be symmetrical. That's it. Then we pick up the thread from the first stitch and then pull it out. This is what happens after hard pulling. We hooked 3 13 braids. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8 1 9 2 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 2 7 2 8 2 9 3 3 1 3 2 33. The braided needle is to bring out the thread. Just bring out the line and quickly hook it up. Well, if you are a beginner, anyway, you can go a little slower. Out with the line. After 33 hooks are done, stretch the line a little bit. Let's keep the disconnection a little longer. Leave about 10 centimeters here. Then pull the line out. It's done. Then we can see that this is the hidden line. Hidden till the end. We can just cut it off. Okay. In this way, we have finished drawing one leaf. If it is used later, it means pinching here. Put it together with others. Then the leaves look like this. Then the crochet method of the leaves is like this. Please hook the others yourself. We need to hook for pieces. This color is like this for pieces of green and dark green. Then for pieces of light green, 2 pieces each. Put 2 dark greens on this side and then to light greens. Then this side also has 2 dark greens and then to light greens. 2 flowers. Okay, everyone, go and build all the materials you need. The idea has been told to everyone. For leaves, you need to tick 3 more of this color, then 4 of this color. The crochet method is exactly the same. Then you need to hook another flower. Then we have crocheted the rope. Okay, in the next video, I'll teach you how to assemble it after everyone has finished hooking it. Well, we have all the materials ready. Let's take 2 greens and this light green. Then put 2 dark green colors together to hold the braid at the end and pinch it tightly. Just pinch the end of the braid tightly. Let's give it a call here. No need to tie a knot. You can tie a knot. Then we tie this knot with our single line knot. You can tie the knot here a little tighter, not too loose nor too tight. Anyway, after tying a knot, we can disconnect it. If you're afraid it'll loosen, then tie a knot with these lines. After tying the knot, we cut it directly because here we're going to use glue. So I am not afraid it will fall apart. Just cut along its edge like this. Then we take out one of our flowers. We need to put glue all over it. Then buckle it directly. Just stick it onto the flowers. Haha. Next we'll glue it. Well, let's burn the glue stick. At this time, you can burn the glue stick for a while longer as long as it doesn't drip. Don't burn yourself. Then the flame must be blue. Rotate and burn like this. We apply it in the center of the flower. Apply a little more to the center of the flower. Put down the glue stick after applying. Press the flower directly on the thread end side and put the thread end inwards. Just press the side of the thread we just cut inwards. Let it stick completely to the glue. Just let it stick completely to the glue. Then just wait for it to dry. Don't burn yourself and don't get your hands sticky. It's easy to burn yourself if it sticks to your hands. After sticking it on, we just wait for it to dry. Let's stick this flower head on. Glue these 4 leaves on top. Well, the other side is handled in the same way we took out for. We just marked the leaves. Then pull all the threads together. Stuck. Pinch us here. Then tie it with this sideline to make a knot like this. Just tie 2 knots and it'll be fine. After tying it, we also cut off the thread. Just cut along the edge and leave a little. Cut along the edge like this. Then remember that we need to glue this side now. Well, we took out the glue stick and burned the glue stick. Well, burn it with a blue flame until it starts to drip. But it didn't drip. Just burn a little more. Roll and burn. Roll it and burn it almost. Then apply it. Apply a little more in the middle. Let's apply a little more in the middle. Then use the side we just cut. Put the side with the thread on it. Then put the thread end underneath and let it stick with this glue. Look, there is no thread stuck under the chin. You can use scissors. Don't use your hands. The scissors are made of iron. I'm not afraid of it being iron. Just give him a chance to stand out for a while. You don't have to worry about taking it off after a while, like here. You have to use your hands when it is almost cooled down. It's best not to use your hands. It's a bit hot. Wait a moment here. If you want to adjust the shape, well, you can wait until it is almost dry before touching it. Otherwise, I'm afraid it will burn you. It seems that we have adjusted it. The leaves and the flower heads have already been glued on. Then we also did the other side. After we glue it like this, we've got this whole thing done. We have completed this binding. This completes the whole rope binding. Okay, if you want to tie the rope, you can make another one exactly the same. Okay, that's it for today's video. Bye.